The architect of the land initiates the foundation, a partnership of heritage and soil. Upward momentum. The central column of the pavilion breaks through the heavy clay. Solar sails. These expansive leaves are designed to capture the maximum energy of the Mekong sun. Structural reinforcement. Building the scaffolding for a tree that will carry hundreds of fortresses. The living pillar. A trunk engineered to withstand the weight of the coming harvest. Hydraulic distribution. Natural plumbing systems delivering nutrients to the furthest edges. The pollen spires. The architectural call for the next generation of growth. The canopy roof. A natural shield against the tropical monsoon rains. The female flower emerges, a small green sphere covered in tiny, soft bumps.
Biofueling. Feeding the engine of growth with the cycles of the past.
Geometric alignment. Chaos gives way to the order of the hexagonal facade. Micro-precision. Every cell is a self-contained unit of the larger fortress. Volume expansion. The starch-filled interior pushes against the geometric shell. Gravity resistance. A heavy sphere supported by a flexible, living cantilever. The interior forge. Converting sunlight into the densest energy known to the garden. Completion. The pavilion has reached its peak structural maturity. Resting form. From the height of the canopy to the heart of the home. Slicing the fruit into perfect wedges, the white flesh looks like marble, sculpting the starch. Each piece is a fragment of a larger architectural whole. Transformation through heat. The final stage of the starch's architectural journey. Vapor of life. The aroma of cooked bread rising from a botanical source. Cellular porosity. A structure designed to hold warmth and flavor. Post-production. The tree begins the process of structural recovery. The next cycle. The blueprints are already being redrawn for the next pavilion. Nature's percussion. The hydraulic cycle resumes its work on the canopy.
Living shelter. Architecture that serves the entire ecosystem.
Radiant distribution. The energy grid is fully operational once more. Micro-inhabitants. Navigating the jagged edges of the green fortress. Chronological shift. The architecture of time reflected in the garden's floor. Ethereal grids. The blueprint manifesting in the quiet of the dawn. Circular maintenance, returning the roof to the foundation to fuel the future. Symbiotic facades. Life growing upon life in a vertical landscape.
Pollination protocol. The exchange of data for the next structural phase.
The botanical cathedral. A forest of pillars and solar sails. The stress joint. Engineered to support the increasing load of the starch sphere.
Dynamic equilibrium. Structural flexibility in the face of tropical gusts. Precision landing. navigating the sharp geometry of the canopy.
Internal scaffolding. The hidden strength that holds the sphere together.
Lunar illumination. The nocturnal profile of the Hexagonal Pavilion.
The flow of life. Water, the primary material for every botanical build. Tool calibration. Preparing for the next surgical intervention. Hydropurification. Cleaning the facade before the final reveal. Aquatic geometry. The grid remains perfect, even under pressure. Dimensional slicing. Revealing the internal consistency of the monolith. Thermal ignition. Using the trio's own history to cook its present. The scent of heritage. A sensory anchor in the architectural process. The ceramic forge. Simple tools for a complex biological outcome. Molecular agitation. The beginning of the starch's structural softening. Fluid immersion. The final baptism of the botanical units. Controlled energy. The slow release of heat into the starch core. The great reveal. The scent of fresh bread from a tropical tree. The sake wedges are now a soft, creamy yellow. Chromatic shift. Heat has refined the color of the interior marble. Liquid complement. Adding a fluid layer to the solid starch. Material fusion. Combining the tree's starch with the palm's lipids.
The final appraisal. The master builder enjoys the fruits of the grid.
Twilight architecture. The towers rest as the light fades. Succession planning. The next generation of pavilions is already rising. Miniature grids. The parametric code is present from the very beginning. Curatorial care. Protecting the future of the botanical city. Eternal rhythms. The soundscape of growth and renewal. Surface tension. A liquid sphere mirroring a botanical one. Earth impact. Returning the moisture to the source of all build. Vertical ascent. Looking up at the full scale of the living tower. The structural frame. The bare bones of nature's engineering.
Material dispersal. Spreading the blueprints across the garden floor.
Celestial alignment. The pavilion, framed by the light of the stars. Human context. The home, supported by the harvest of the sake. The night watch. Constant vigilance over the living fortresses. Prismatic night. Every cell acting as a tiny reflector of light. The voice of the canopy. A song of stability and ancient growth. The genesis of the Hexagonal Pavilion. The Breadfruit. Parametric architecture.